What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Risky Riding here, and today I will be making a video of restoring my 01 KX 125. This will be my first ever complete restoration project, and this one is getting done fairly quick, to be honest. But as of right now, I will not be able to show you guys the motor or anything yet. I have the motor sent off to a guy's shop to have it fully rebuilt. I'm going to give him the bearing kit. I'm not sure when, but I'm gonna have to give him the bearing kit, and then I'm gonna buy just a OEM crank. Best you could go is OEM, and I'm most likely gonna do a Wiseco top end. And so yeah, I'll show you guys the build, starting right now. So starting off with the easy stuff today, I already got the gas tank, I already bolted onto the frame. There are a couple more things that I need to do. I need to order a new subframe yet, and I need to also, what I'm gonna do to fix this gas tank, since I don't feel like buying a brand new one, all I'm gonna do is get some mix up epoxy, and then just get a nut in there, make sure none of the epoxy is on the threads. We should be good. But yeah, let's get started with this rebuild process. So as of right now, I am putting the, I don't know what you would want to call them, these things on, and then I'm gonna put the shock back together, or like put the spring back on. So now that we've got the shock back together, it's obviously still sloppy. I need to tighten it all up. But now it's all back together, I can now start on putting the bike back together, because this was one of the main pieces I needed to even start. Spring on and everything, just remembered, I'm still going to be, well, you guys don't know yet, but I'm still, like, I have to go get my frame sandblasted. I'm gonna bring it by a friend's to get it sandblasted. Then we're gonna get some of that PJ1 color matching factory Kawasaki green paint. 2 cans of that, gonna be putting it on the bike. So, and whenever my new subframe comes in. Because this subframe that I have, it would be an easy fix, but I just be better off buying a new one. We'd have to weld on this new exhaust mount, and we would have to put like threaded inserts or something like that in there on both sides for the number plates. Yes, and I have to do my linkage, unfortunately. I do still have to do that. My phone had died, which obviously my phone is the thing that I use to record with, and I got this far until noticing
Jake?
obviously nothing is hooked up. Don't have the motor in it, but I am here for the before and after shot. Ooh, come on, stay up. Okay. Here's the bike. I think she's gonna look good, real good, once I repaint, or like once I get a new subframe, repaint the subframe and the frame. I think it's gonna look pretty nice. Whatever you guys think. Now I will put the bike back. Right there. Okay. Now most of these plastics, well, at least all of them, but this back fender is bolted on because that one just stays up. But I just got some parts ordered today. I also need to get some pegs ordered. So all that I have left to do for this bike is finish rebuilding the motor, or like finish, you know, giving the guy the money to rebuild my motor, and get a new exhaust pipe because mine is all garbage. I was just practicing torch lines on the little lines that are on the pipe. But other than that, I'm all set.